This is the big one, the big day. This is called Sound It Out. And today we're going to take letters, sounds, and we're going to put sounds together to make words. It's magic, man. It's magic. So we're going to go very slowly. So you ready? Let's do it. So watch how this works. The letters slide together. Here's M plus A plus T. Listen as I sound them and then speed them up. Now listen to this. At, 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 mat, mat. Did you hear it? That's a word, mat, mat. The sounds slide together into a word. Say it with me slowly, then fast. Say it with me. At, at, mat, mat. Beautiful. That's blending, my friends, called blending. We'll do it again and again. All right, let's sound this one out. There are 3 letters, R, A, T. The red letter in the middle is the vowel A. So point along and say each sound with me slowly. Let's try it. At, at, at. What's the word? Do you know the word? There it is. Oh, thank goodness. I didn't know. There it is. There is the rat. Now you read the word, rat. Say it with me. Rat, rat, rat. Good. Is this a rat? Do you have a rat? A pet rat? I don't know. I think I have some rats up in the attic. I don't know. I hear them in there at night and they're playing football. Okay, you read the word by sounding it out. That was beautiful. So good. Let's sound this one out, okay? It's M-A-P. The A is our vowel in red. The A in red is our vowel. Remember, every word in English has at least one vowel. So let's say each sound. Say it with me slowly. A, p, app, map, map, map. What's the word? Map. We said it. Yes, map. Say it. Map. Read it. Map. Say it with me. App, app, map, map. Amazing. Is this a map? Do you have a map? Don't have maps anymore. Maybe on your phone, maybe on the internet. Oh, it's amazing. We're reading. We're reading. Okay, here's another one. Let's sound it out. It's M-A-N. Hear the sounds. M-A-N. M-A-N. A is the vowel. Do you hear it? A, M-A-N. 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 Man. Very good. So you read it. You read it. Say it. Yes. Man. Say it with me. M-A-N. M-A-N. Ma-a-n. Man. Man. It's hard to say it that way. Man. Man. M-A-N. Man. Man. Good. Good. You're reading real words now. That's something to write home about. Let's check what you can do. I'll say a word and you spell it. I'll say each letter out loud. So listen. Map. A, P. What letters? A, P. M-A, P. Map. You can hear it. Now, how about man? A, N. What are the letters? A, N. M-A-N. Man. Beautiful. You're hearing the sounds and finding the letters. You're identifying the letters from the sounds. That's a big moment. It's a big moment. Here's another one. Let's sound it out. P-A-N. So A is the vowel. We say each sound with me. P, A, N. Faster. P, A, N. P, A, N. Put them together. Pan. Pan. P, A, N. Pan. That's the word. Pan. What's a pan? There's a pan. Read it. Yes, pan. Say it with me. Pa, a, n. Pa, a, n. Pa, a, n. It's like pan. Pan. When you slide it together, it's pa, a, n. Actually, it's rather than pa, a, it's pa, n. Pan. Pan. Okay, let's sound this one out. It's N-A-P, and the red box is the vowel A. It's N-A-P. Say each sound with me. N, A, P. Faster. N-ap, n-ap, nap. You got it. That's the word, nap. And my favorite slide of all, nap. I love to take a nap. A nap is like a little period of sleep during the day. You take a nap when you're tired. It's amazing. Nap. Do you like to nap in the afternoon? Are you ever able to nap in the afternoon? I hope so. Maybe not, though. Maybe only lazy old Murray is able to do it, but I love it. Okay, the last one. Sound it out with me. The letters are T-A-P. T-A-P. And the A is the vowel, right? A. And the sound is A. So let's say each letter. T, A, P, T, A, P, T, ap, tap. Tap. This is tap. Tap. I'm tapping on the microphone. That's the word. Tap. So now, tap also means this. This is a tap where the water comes out of is called the tap. So read it. Tap. Yes, tap. That's where the water comes out. Say it with me. T, a, p. T, a, p. Tap. Tap. Good. Beautiful reading. Pretty soon we're going to put words together and it's going to be incredible. Okay, now watch some magic. We change just one letter in the word and the whole word changes. So read each one with me. The first one is rat, and change the R to an M, and now it's mat. Here we have mat. The next one down is mat. Change the last letter, the T, to a P, and now it's map. And now we're going to change the M to an N, change the M to N, and now it's nap. So nap, change the N to T in nap, and it becomes tap. Incredible. But you just change a letter and it changes the sound, and it changes the word, and it changes the meaning, right? So rat becomes mat, and mat becomes map, and map becomes nap, and nap becomes tap. Okay, my friends, before you go, say one word out loud from our chain. Say any of these words: mat, map, nap, or tap. Just one, nice and clear. And listen to yourself say it, because you are now the reader. You really are. That's a huge thing. You did it today, and I'm proud of you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.